My name's Steve Hoyland. I am Divisional Manager Operations for Academy Music Group. Edinburgh is a key territory. We've always wanted to have a presence here. This opportunity came up, happened relatively quickly, and there's definitely a gap in the market for that medium to large size academy style venue in the city. Affordable for promoters and for artists alike. People want to turn up to a venue this size with a truck and they want to plug it and play to a large degree, so you have to have a really high quality audio and lighting setup.
We want it to be rock and roll. You know, it's what AMG do best. So to that end, it was about getting the equipment that we knew was going to be stuff that could go in and wouldn't come back out again. We went for SD12s, front and back. The main system is the K2. There's 8 in each hang. We've also got the 810s as our infills that are on the subs. And we've got the X8s up on the balcony, and we've got the outfills as well. So it's a cracking system. It's got coverage in the entire venue. Even anyone who wanted to tour their own system wouldn't be able to hit the spots that we can hit with that. In terms of lighting, it's an Evo Arena we've got, and we have 18 Mac Auras, 12 Diablos, and a whole bunch of Mophie. We've even got the Ovations, the Chauvet Ovations for the front light. So yeah, it's a proper rig. It's a proper rig that's there. And again, it's one of those ones where we would hope that there's enough there that all we're going to do is to augment and supplement what you need, what you're bringing in for your floor package.
And we trust Adlib to deliver that for us anyway, because Adlib are our partner in audio and lighting. So, you know, John and Andy will spec a system for us based on what the major promoters and artists are asking for.
It feels as though what Adlib have provided will give us a guarantee of consistency and of a professional level and taking it up to the level that we need it to be.
Adlib know what we stand for and what we want. They work with a lot of the bands that come through our estate anyway. They get what we're about. You know, we want people to come into any O2 Academy in the UK and they know what they're getting.
The whole point of this is that you're getting an A-class system, you're getting A-class support. It's a quality system, and we couldn't ask for anything more.